Hello guys, I'm back.
I'm a dude who is half nude, belly bottom down, but here are top gazillion things that no fitness influencer with a mullet hairstyle, cute face, clean shaven, beardless lad tells you about the Indian fitness industry because he forgets to yap bullshit on his 8-second TikTok reel and YouTube short.
बकचोदी मत कर लौड़े।
बॉडी 5 साल में नहीं बनती।
Ishan Thakur went from a twig to a chat in 3 years. Her lifts is saucing so hard that there is extreme redness on his back filled with trend acne, but yet claims Nattys. Prem Joshi, Jeet Sharma and Rohit Chauhan all are lifetime Nattys, and this is number one bullshit. But my friend, I have a goddamn question to ask. इन लोगों की बॉडी बन गई पर भोसड़ी के तेरी बॉडी क्यों नहीं बन रही है? After losing 27 kilos in one goddamn calendar year, I spoke to my inner demons. भैंचोद, मेरी बॉडी रोहित चौहान लेवल जैसी क्यों नहीं लग रही है?
Era of fake natties.
Fake nattinitis is a phenomenon where faggots born to whores claim natty on the internet to get more sponsors, clients, to live a lavish lifestyle, but yet they feel like shit because they scam the lower middle class minors to fulfill their greed. Allotestin user still claims natty and now a happily married life whose kids will be bullied in school, getting called names like Hello from the other side. Jeet Sharma drags his mom and Hanuman Ji to prove his natty status, which is absolutely ridiculous. Pseudo-steroid user who is Dr. Vegas Singh claims that clenbuterol makes you more natural and thinks that it's a pseudo-steroid that Nattys can take to clear a goddamn drug test. An era that flaunts a bunch of dickheads who are ready to sell the self-respect of their loved ones so that they can roam around in lavish cars and reside in fancy, massive bungalows.
कशिश गुप्ता लंड है।
Oh my freaking damn, a science-based yapper guru tried to exert his dominance in the Indian fitness industry, explaining and mindlessly yapping terms like torque, moment arms and citing 8-week sports science research papers, which is absolutely garbage. It's easy to gaslight kids and illiterate audience by using fancy terms and science-based semantics and the modern science-based bullshit. He decoded a hack for more clout, and what he actually did was he rage baited the bigger names of the Indian fitness industry. For example, Mukesh, Gallard, Rohit Khatri, etc. And he addressed them by calling terms like Gawar, which actually means a stupid fool.
क्योंकि मैं चूतिया हूँ, मेरा दिमाग चूतिया है.
A dumb freaking moron who dropped out of school. Gawar equals to illiterate. When people pointed out this "अरे तेरी body लंड जैसी दिखती है," he started calling out their gurus and started making claims like they are mindlessly pimping out fake whey protein supplements and they are mindlessly injecting steroids up their wazoo for more gains because they do not have the subtle basic knowledge to build the physique naturally. And he started using that noble natty card. I'm natural and I deserve more respect, which is actually true. But Kashish Gupta, you are natural, but your physique looks like, you know what I'm trying to say. And the honest reality is that even if you make Kashish Gupta hop on the most science-based steroid cycle, he won't even make it to the amateur ranks of the bodybuilding. Okay, so that's the reality. Props to him for being natural, but props to him for gaslighting his audience. Bro had a counter reply for every goddamn argument, and it clearly worked to establish his fear-mongering loaded prophecy, and this helped him to push his biomechanics scores, and it also helped him to sell more supplements, get more sponsors, make a shit ton of money, and basically he traded fear-mongering for more cash. And I think this is the best science-based executed scam that is just jumping off the heads of every goddamn illiterate that follows him. He's not a sports scientist, he's not a doctor from AIMS, he's not a dentist from GDC, and he is not a techie from the Silicon Valley. He is Mr. Kashish Gupta, who is a certified coach from ACE and a person who clearly skipped his practical classes.
The only thing I love about Rohit Khatri is Sania.
Rohit Khatri literally used his wife's gat for more clout, OnlyFans earning, creep lads, glazing her and joining her memberships, making her a ton of money to inaugurate a chain of gyms with shit facilities.
आप हमारे जिम का न्यू लुक देखकर और फेस जानकर हैरान हो जाओगे.
So basically what Rohit Khatri did was he used the dark slutty money that his wife earned to invest in a chain of gyms. It's like take money, invest somewhere else and make more money. He is a perfect businessman. Medieval times would refer Sonia as a but in modern times, Sonia is an independent chick who flashes her tits, twerks her booty for more dollars, sponsors, and creep incel audience clout. Rohit Khatri and his side chick literally destroyed the reputation of the Indian fitness industry, and boycotting them is the only goddamn solution, and please do it, my friends. Bought a ton of mal from one Laudekebal company named Big Muscle Nutrition. Initially, I thought that this company is cheap, good to go, but I realized that most of their supplements is shit. I also realized that this is a well-planned heist. It is a protein heist which is carried out by brainwashing the middle-class kids and their parents, and this was done by paying the money-greedy influencers like Arush Bola, Raju Shishodia, and the list goes on. A well-planned scam, props to that, and we need to learn from this bullshit.
बहन के लोड़ो, इस साल का सुअर क्लासिक मैं ही जीतने वाला हूँ और यस भाई है ना, काफी अच्छे ट्रेनर हैं, मेरे से काफी यंग हैं और इनकी मैं रात को.
A legit person named Tarun Gill is now exposing fake natties like Dion De Silva, Satvik Pandey, Kashish Gupta, and Ekant Kataneja. Tarun Gill promoted the flexible diet, which helped millions of Indians achieve their natural Greek god caliber physique all naturally without the use of the goddamn steroids. He also promoted good food sources like Maggi, KFC, alcohol, and Vimal Pan Masala. He proved that mindlessly smoking cigarettes can literally fix the Delhi's AQI. He's a man of his words who thinks through his Jankabal. To conclude, Tarun Gill, a man of his words, is launching a successful comeback to revive and save the Indian fitness industry, and props to that. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए. यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजा